Almost every single person is doing this, and if you continue to do this, you will not be able to attract money. You're literally blocking it, and this is what society has programmed you to do. So it's very important that you quit doing this if you want to attract abundance into your life. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let's dive right into this video. If you have not subscribed yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button right over there and hit the bell notification, because that's what's going to notify you for new videos. Subscribe, bell notification. Let's get right to the video. So here's what I used to do when I did not have any money, and I was at a place where it was so bad my now wife was in debt because I couldn't pay for anything. Couldn't pay for groceries. I couldn't even help pay for an electric bill. I had no money coming in at all. And if you were to sit down with me as my friend and we went out to lunch, here's what I would have said. You know, money's just not that important. It's like, I'd rather be happy. And all these people are just, they're so stuck on trying to get money and they're not even happy. And I would use that as a rationalization to the fact that I didn't have it. Because guess what? The way your mind works is it wants to protect you from failure. So then it conjures up this whole story that money's not very important. Believe me, if you don't have money, it's very important. It's the number one cause of divorce. Lack of money is the number one cause of divorce. You need money to pay for your electric bill. You need money to go fly where you want to fly. If someone in your family lives on the other side of the world and they're having health problems, but you have financial problems, so you can't fly over there, that's going to cause a lot of stress. Money is important, but get this, money isn't even what you really want. It's the things that money will allow you to do. And those things are really just you wanting to experience more life. I personally believe that these stories about money is the root of all evil and money's not very important, I believe that these were stories that were passed down from the institutions and the individuals that controlled culture as a way to control the human population. I believe that they've intentionally disseminated false information about money to keep 95% of us in desolate situations financially so they can control. They can control society, they can control the laws. And guess what? No one that has money says money isn't important. Believe me, one of the greatest things you can do in the world is begin to have money, because the world needs more people who have a positive outlook on life and they have money. The world needs more people who say, oh dude, that person's card's not working, fine, I'll pay for it. The world needs more people like you that when someone doesn't have any money and they're struggling to get their kid in school, you buy them a used car for just $5,000, just a used car. Someone who can't afford their cancer surgeries and you give them $2,000. That's what it needs. The world needs people who are good at heart and have money. But guess what? You're never going to be able to attract it to put your kids through school. You're never going to be able to attract it to finally live the life that you want. Just a more prosperous life. Have your own personal trainer. Eat at any restaurant you want to eat. Take your friends out to dinner. Take your friends on a trip around the world. Stay in the hotel you want to stay in. You can't do that if you believe that money isn't important. Imagine if you told your friends that your girlfriend or your boyfriend wasn't very important. Heck, imagine if you told them that they weren't very important. They wouldn't be around for very long. So comment down below, I love money because it comes to me when I call. Comment down below, I love money because it comes to me when I call. Comment that down below and grasp that money has ears. And when you say it's not very important, oh, I'd rather choose happiness, why not have both? You deserve to live an abundant, fulfilling, rich life that experience all of your desires so they can come true. And money is a means for you to do that. So comment down below, I love money because it comes to me when I call. And remember, the fact might just be that your brain has been wired for a constant reality of not having enough and not being able to attract enough. And if that's so, demo my software, The Second Mind, right there down below, The Second Mind, right there down below, and begin to use that to start to retrain your brain so that you can attract more money in your life. It's science. The brain gets wired to a certain fundamental reality and it becomes extremely difficult to change it. Most of us, 9 out of 10 people die with less than $10,000 and virtually no financial assets. 75% of people are living from paycheck to paycheck. Almost everyone's in credit card debt. The collective consciousness is programmed for a poor relationship with money that has infiltrated our minds. And it's programmed like this. And so it's very important that you start to retrain it and you start to rewire it. That's why I created The Second Mind. It's right there down below, thesecondmind.com. You can demo it for free. Remember, love money because it comes to you when you call, and then it's just going to make you more of what you already are. If you're generous, you're going to be more generous with money. If you have a lot of energy, you're going to have more energy when you have money. Why? Because it's just making you more of what you are, because money is just energy in and of itself. Remember, I love money because it comes to me when I call. Comment that down below. Hit the subscribe button, the bell notification right over there below. Start to notice the way that you think about money because your relationship with it is going to attract it or repel it in the same way that you're not going to have a loving relationship with someone if you constantly tell them they're not very important. That relationship is energy with that individual, and money is energy, and your relationship with money is energy. So start to appreciate it. See the good that it can do, and you will start to see more of it flow into your life. Comment down below. I love money because it comes to me when I call. Demo The Second Mind. I'll see you on the next video. You deserve abundance. You're worthy of abundance. And heck, there's more money printed every single day. You live in an abundant world. 12 months from now, your life can change forever. Start affirming it.